Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an action plan to get started, and we'll be sharing some free resources and useful tools to help you along the way. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Set your goals. The first step is to set your goals. Whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve your overall health, having a clear goal in mind will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Get a support system. Having a support system is crucial to your success. Surround yourself with people who will encourage and motivate you. Join a gym, find a fitness buddy, or join an online community. Step 3. Start slow. Don't try to do everything at once. Start small and gradually increase your efforts. For example, if you're just starting out, aim for 15 minutes of exercise a day. Step 4. Track your progress. Keep track of your progress. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Use a fitness app, a journal, or a chart to track your progress. Step 5. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Make exercise a part of your daily routine. Find activities you enjoy and make them a habit. Step 6. Be patient. Remember, results don't happen overnight. Be patient and keep working towards your goals. And there you have it, folks. A simple action plan to get started on your fitness journey. We hope these steps and resources will help you on your way to a healthier, happier life. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Stay healthy, stay fit, and we'll see you in the next video.